I found out someone was screenshotting my little bakery's Instagram at 2 in the morning, every single night. And it was the girl I trained with my own 2 hands. For months, my new flavors kept showing up across the street. Same names, same prices, sometimes before I even announced them. I told myself I was imagining it, so I finally checked who actually opens my profile. One account sat right at the top, no photo, a name I didn't recognize, opening me 30 times a day. So I looked at when. Every Tuesday night, the minute I posted a new menu, she opened it within 90 seconds. One night, I posted a flavor, then deleted it after 3 minutes. She still saw it. The next week, it was written on her chalkboard. Then I lined up 30 days of views. My regulars opened me a handful of times. This one silent account, 310. 80% of my story views, right before closing, were her. Every launch, every price, every supplier I tagged. So I texted my old mentor. I think my apprentice is copying me before I even post. She wrote back one line. Sweetheart, she isn't copying you, she's hunting you. And she'd been doing it since the day she hugged me and said goodbye. I taught that girl how to froth milk. I never taught her this. The one person I trusted with my recipes was studying me like a target, quietly, every night, from an account with no face. I only caught it because one tool showed me who really opens my profile. If your best ideas keep showing up somewhere else, stop guessing who's watching. The link is below. Check it before you post one more thing.